Pry open the decorative cover, unscrew the fixing screw. Pry open the air conditioner decorative panel. Take out the trend frame. Remove the display trim panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Take out the hardware frame. Unscrew the fixing screw. Take out the press interface board. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Remove the air conditioner trim panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the air conditioner control panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the air conditioner control panel base. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the CD host. Unplug the power cord. Transfer a UX line. The other end is connected to the CD host. Install our air conditioner bottle base. Fixing screw. Our air conditioner frequency is installed with a fixed buckle. Transfer air conditioner screen power cord. Connect air conditioner screen power cord. Install the air conditioner screen. Install the trim strips on both sides of the saddle. Cut off the buckle of the display screen frame of the original car. Remove the display flat frame plating strip. The electroplating strip is installed on the display plane frame of our company. Our display plane frame is installed on the decorative panel of the original car. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Open the display screen cable buckle and pull it up. Remove the cable. Unscrew the display circuit main board fixing screw. Plug interface press down. Remove the main board. Unscrew the small circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew our hardware frame fixing screws. Remove the cover. Install circuit main board fixing screws. The large circuit board covers the small circuit board fixing screw. Cover the cover plate fixing screw. Butt cable, no live socket cable. Blue side facing up, neatly aligned. The cable buckle is pressed down. Docking card slot audio cable. Microphone docking to card slot audio cable. The microphone is placed next to the GPS antenna of the main frame A. The GPS antenna is placed next to the trunk pillar. 4 grams antenna. The 4 grams antenna is placed on the side of the passenger. The panel button cable only connects to the left one. The right plug does not need to be plugged in. Connect the button cable on the left panel. Power cord. The hardware circuit board is installed on the back of the display screen. Fixing screw. Docking power cord. Plug the original car plug back into the original position. Organize the wires and install the display screen. Fixing screw. Decorative board. Let's take a look at the overall effect.